Today I am going to be showing you Charlotte from UniWigs. You can see how beautiful this is. Smoky color, and down here it goes sandy to blonde. And the cool part is that it comes curled already, so you don't even have to curl it. This wig is 16 inches. You get this elastic strap. If the wig is too big, you can sew this in to make it fit perfectly. Look how natural this looks. Their wigs are honestly the best wigs I have ever seen. They look so natural. They are 100% human hair. So now I will be applying my new wig. So this is the cap. Okay. Woo! Oh my god, it looks so nice already. Oh my god. This wig is gorgeous. Oh my god. Doesn't it look like it's my natural hair? You can do anything to these wigs. You can curl them, you can straighten them, you can wash them. They are 100% real human hair. I am seriously getting addicted to these wigs. They are absolutely beautiful. It's gorgeous. I am in love with it. I think it's so beautiful. I absolutely love it. This is my new Charlotte wig. Oh my god, I am truly loving it. I am loving it. It's gorgeous. I have my dream hair color. I love it.